One goal is to get my kids to believe in themselves. Every Friday on our agenda, I said 3:30 celebrations.
Oh yeah!
Do the Harlem
Whether it's word lists that are mastered, whether it's our multiplication bag, we're going to find something to celebrate. The kids master these skills, they earn these points, they show proficiency with the standards, learning happens. Even if you are a struggling kid, every point, every second of video that you watch, every effort that you make, all goes to a class total, right? So everybody in their struggles gets to participate. When we got those 10 million points, I had to have a girl hold the camera, and I had balloons filled with confetti, and so I'm going around popping these balloons, but she's holding my phone, and she's like, it's like taking this selfie in an earthquake kind of thing. So when you just see this classroom like come together and like unite among that, it's awesome.